Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Choice Jolie Kit Club reveal for June 2024. I did have a whole intro and everything filmed where I pulled it out of the box and we got to see it together, and then my husband started talking and I was like staring at him while I'm talking because I was trying to get him to stop talking and he would not. So that had to go to the wayside. So this month I have been primarily asked to create with the card kit for June. So what that entails is super excited that in the card kit this month we get 5 pieces of white cardstock. All right. There is a textured side and then the opposite side is smooth, so that is fun. This will help because then I can create scrapbook layouts. We also have the Studio Light Victorian Dreams, which is created by Jenny's Mindful Art Collection. So you get 2 of each pattern. They are single-sided, which makes me happy, so I do not have to decide which one to use. You get 2 of each. And it is, let's zoom you in a little bit. Too much. All right. I have to pull it down because I will pull it closer to me for some reason, and that's just who I am. So you've got a beautiful Victorian house. There's some peonies. This is like got lace in the background with some green. Love the color combo. We've got some pink and peach distressed pinstripes. Here we've got a beautiful lavender. I think my lights are washing it out, but we've got a beautiful window with some more flowers. I can totally see myself fussy cutting out a lot of this to create a layout. Then you have a Damascus with some fun, like I call it a Joker print. I don't know what that's called in the background, but it is all distressed, so it looks very mixed media. Little castle door with some fun mixed media stuff going on in there. We got a fun little Damascus pinstripe wallpaper, some music notes, little guy here with the house behind him and some purple peonies with a chandelier. Another Damascus, and I think that's what that's called. I don't know, I could be wrong. But it's very pale in the middle, darker on the edges with some writing in there. And then we have this pink into purple, which you got the little Victorian lady up here and the little tea party. There's even a bingo card. What? Then we have just a purple print, which I love, and it's like different colors and kind of distressed looking, and you know that's my jam. Look at the kitties. Oh, my G. Cute. Little Victorian lady, more peonies all over the place. Then we've got just a beautiful light lavender color. This one is very fun because it is like pink and orange and cream and yellow and just fun. Then you've got this one right here, which is a pink and purple mix. It's very busy, got a lot going on, but this is something that you could fussy cut out. Then you've got a purple cream pinky, very, very soft touches of pink in there print. This one is gorgeous. It goes from pink with all of the decorative embellishments to a purple lace. And then this one right here, you've got a brown marble, so it's like a very rest your eyes type of page. You've got a vertical design here with a little lady on there. And last but certainly not least, we have another Victorian and beautiful lady right here with a house in the background and a little lake. I think that is super gorgeous. Along with all of this, I might have to pull you back out a little bit. Let's scooch you over. Just scooch you right on over. We have the Ultimate Crafts Bella Collection Royalty embossing folder. So these are all the ones that come in the collection, and we have this one. So this is Royalty. You also have Rose Leaf, Reflections, Predictable, sorry, Out There, Grid Plate, Daydreams, Summer Breeze, Makes Me Feel Fine, sorry, Arrow, and Simple Elegance. I really, really like this one. So it's going to be fun to go ahead and incorporate this on my layouts. What else do we have in our little bag of goodies? So we have some 49th and Market, and you know I love these flowers. She always adds And by she, I mean Kim, the curator and owner of Tres Jolie. She always finds the perfect things to go with it. So these are $49 in market handmade paper flowers. They're called Thistle. Fun fact about that, I can't even say it, but when my boyfriend in high school had a lisp, and he said thistle to my mom, and now we can't say thistle. I'm sorry. Sorry, Dean. So that is beautiful little flowers. And then, as always, she throws in some perfectly curated and designed chipboard pieces that are laser cut. And then we also have this Prima wood embellishments. And these are like silhouettes, right? Like little people silhouettes. So that's going to be fun to create with. Oh, I see so many things in my head. Okay. So that is the card kit for June 2024. Let me get this in a bag, and then I will show you. I did pick up the scrapbooking kit as well. So sometimes I pick up all three, which she has the card kit, the scrapbooking kit, and the mixed media kit. This time I just got the additional scrapbooking kit because you know I love me some scrapbooking, right? All right. I'm going to grab another bag because I don't like the crinkle bags. So now this is uniquely creative, and let me tell you, this company Kim found during Creativation, and I know she fell in love with it along with myself because this is a fabulous company. So uniquely creative. I like how they design their packaging because everybody just usually uses the clear. All right. So we have the uniquely creative 12 by 12 collection pack in Vintage Chronicles. All right. So on the back side here, we have a cut apart, which saddens. Oh, we get two of each. Oh, goodness. I was like, it's going to sadden my heart because the back side. So you have all these little cut aparts. You get this beautiful butterfly keys, remember in tiles, just all kinds of fun stuff. Vermouth. Sorry. And then on the back side of that, you have this beautiful vintage wood grain that's got some mixed media on it as well. Then you have all of these cut apart tags, so that's cool. Smaller. And then on the back side of that, you have another old wood grain. Looks like the paint has been on there for quite some time. Then we have a very fun, if you need some fussy cutting help, you can fussy cut out some florals and butterflies. Look at the colors on this. It's like a very deep coral and a beautiful green. Oh my word. On the back side of that, you have this pre-made already for you. Just stick a couple photos on there and you're done. This little walk path to nowhere here. Some gears and stuff. I love it. The next one, you have this beautiful, rest your eyes on this simple floral pattern. On the back side of that, you have a door. I'm thinking of it. You can cut that open and make a little swing. Put your picture behind that for interaction. And then some fun stuff up there. Another relatively soft, looks like just like some canvas. Put on there, right? On the back side of the canvas, we have the most gorgeous half butterfly ever. And some lace and some florals. I am loving it. Then we have a little crinkled up paper. On the back side of that, we have this kind of diagonal design here. You can totally see you add the pictures here on the diagonal. Love it. Chipped paint. It's like a pale blue into a white, like it's faded. And some more florals that you could just fussy cut to your little heart's desire. You know I'm going to be doing that. And then we have another paint. And the back side of that is this beautiful, elegant piece right here. And then we have the little collection pack, which also has some cut apart, so no waste packaging. You gotta love when companies do that. So that's our collection pack. Alright. I have OCD, so things have to be done right. And then along in that kit, as you've seen, we had some rub-ons. So look at how fun those rub-ons are going to be to play with. And also some 3D squishy, kind of squishy, hard squishy titles. So love that. Then in our little bag we have some Prima flowers. I love the flowers. I love them. They're blue with some like gems and rhinestones in the middle. We also have some Prima flowers here in like a paper. So that's fun. But she never ever leaves out the fact that you get some creative cuts. All kinds of fun stuff. Looks like there's some viewfinder wheels, some frames to make shakers, all kinds of fun stuff in there. And we have 4, so 2 of this and 2 of this of the laser cut pieces. So, oh, I am in love with these kits. So head to the store, sign up, do the a la carte thing, whatever you gotta do, but head on over to the Choice Jolie. We also have a blog, so check that out on Shopify. See the blog so you'll get step-by-step instructions for each of the designers that they go in and they do their step-by-step. So you also have the YouTube channels where we do, you know, the step-by-step tutorials, but then we also give you, you know, some fun blog posts with some pictures and stuff. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, checking out both the card kit and the scrapbook kit. Lots of glare, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.